Hey all, if you're watching this, it means you're likely wanting to use a Canon camera as part of your stream setup. I know they're simply just easy to use, and the clarity on those cameras is much better than any webcam you can pick up at the store. And it seems like everybody's mom has one just laying around. So if your mom has one, this is definitely a good go-to option for you. I know there are a bit of troubles people are having, which is why I'm making this video regarding setting up the webcam, but hopefully this little tutorial gets you going and clarified on how to get your Canon camera set up and running on your stream. So first we're going to start with downloading the EOS Webcam Utility. I already have it pulled up, but I'm going to go ahead and hit back a couple times just so I can walk you through it. Go ahead and search Canon EOS Webcam Utility Beta. Hit on Canon's website. We're going to scroll all the way down until we find the list of models. Now this part's important. You have to make sure to get the correct model. I'm using a Canon Rebel T3, so this is going to be my option. When you click to download it, it wants you to sign up for everything, but you can go ahead and click X. It doesn't make you sign up, and we're going to go ahead and download it. Now we're going to open it. And right here, we get an EOS Webcam Utility. Go ahead and double click that. You're going to run, install, get it loaded onto your computer. Once you have that done, we're going to shoot back over to Twitch Studio. Now, I already have an extra page set up for this, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to do it on here. When we edit our layout, we're going to go to Webcam. Right now I have a disconnected device, but we're going to click EOS Webcam Utility. Now, once you install your webcam utility, you don't have to do anything else. It's recognized by your computer, and it will automatically feed in. A lot of people have this trouble. And that is this. They come to this little page where it says Utility Webcam EOS is not working. Now, I know this seems silly, but make sure to switch your camera on. Even though it's plugged into your computer, it's still powered by battery, which leads me to my next point. You have to have a battery in your camera, depending on your camera. Now, for my T3, I don't have the option of plugging a power cord in, so I have to use battery charge the whole time. If your camera is one of the older models, I suspect that you may be having to do the same thing. So after you switch your camera on, go ahead and hit refresh device, just because we're just going to keep it safe. Now the cool part about this Twitch Studio is you can flip the image, you can turn the image, so whichever way you feel comfortable having people see you, you can make it happen. The other thing, sometimes the resolution gets messed up, and it's important that if that happens, go ahead and close out your Twitch Studio, restart the app. You don't have to run it as an admin or anything, just restart it. If you come to the point where this is not working for you, you're going to have to uninstall Twitch Studio. That was the first thing I had to do when trying to get my Canon Rebel to work. I had to uninstall, reinstall my Twitch Studio. The Canon Utility Beta didn't have any issues. I could use it on OBS, on SL OBS, which is Streamlabs OBS, and I could use it as a webcam and Zoom and everything else. So it's not the utility. Download the Twitch Studio again, install it, and go through the setup. Do not set it up with the Canon Rebel camera. Do that later. That seemed to be the issue I was encountering, and hopefully with me telling you that, you're able to eliminate that step in the process. Again, this is just a tutorial for the Canon Rebel series EOS as a webcam. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe. I also have a Twitch channel, which is twitch.tv/Plato. That's PLAETOE. Go ahead and give me a follow. That'd be awesome. I look forward to making more tutorials, and if you have anything you're specifically needing help with, let me know. I've gone the in and out on this app on Twitch Studio, and at this point, I just love to help people. So leave a comment, message me on Discord at Plato #7004. or on here. I look forward to making some new videos for you guys. If you liked what you saw, again, like the video, and we'll check you next time. I can't end this. It's not letting me.